Hello, my name is Mohammad Syafiq Izzuan bin Sabri. My matrix number is 72355. I will presenting about Class A Class Full IP Address Subnetting. Our network address is 138.162.0.0. Firstly, we identify the IP address class. Our IP address class is Class B. Next, we identify the number of bit of host position that we need to borrow to create usable subnet. So the subnetting is based on department. Total we have 2 buildings. So we have 6 floor. So actually we have 6 department. So the near of 6 is 8. That's why 2 power of 3 equal to 8. Therefore we borrow 3 bits. Next we identify the subnet mask. Our subnet mask is 255.255.224.0. Because we class B, so we change at the third octet and why we get 224. This one 1 2 3 we borrow 3 bits, 224 224. So the subnet mask is 255.255.224.0. So the first subnet name S1 B1 F1. S1 is subnet 1, building 1, floor 1. The network address is 138.162.0.0 and for the start address 138.162.0.1. And we get an address and broadcast address for the next network address we just add 32. So it will be 138.162.32.0. So for the broadcast address, we just -1 from the third octet of the next network address, and it will be 138.162.31.255. And how we get an address? We just -1 from the last octet from the broadcast address, and it will be 138.162.31.254. And for the other subnet name, the calculation of the network address, start address, end address, and broadcast address same as the S1, B1, F1. That's all from me. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Iskandar Putra bin Taharazlan and my matrix number is 68215. I'm going to present about clustless IP address subnetting. So given is 138.162.0.0 and -16. So first thing first, we must sort all the subset number according to the highest one until the lowest one. So we got the Kota Kinabalu, which is 36 hosts, so it is the most one, and we put as number 1. And last is Kuching, which is 7 hosts only. So how we get the network address? The first one, we just simplify put the given one. So and then for start host address, we just add 1 at the behind. And host address and broadcast address we will find only if we find the network address for the second one, and yeah, follow as the and then the third one, subnet mask, we can find it we are using the magic line. So we got the 36 hosts, we must +2, and then we got the 38. And when we get the 38, we put the magic line between the 32 and the 64. And yeah, we saw on the left one, and we got 192. So the subnet it become 255.255.255.192, sorry. So for the CIDR value, how we find it? First thing first, also the same method. We use the host and then +2 until then we get 38. We put the magic line there, and here is the 2 bit. We got the 2 bit. So 16 +2, and then we got the 18. Same also for the KL, Nilai and Kuching. So how we get the end host address and broadcast address? First thing first, we must find the network address for Kuala Lumpur first. How we find it? We use the Kota Kinabalu host, which is 36 +2 also, so it become 38. And then we saw the left one, so it will be 64. And yeah, so the network address is 138.162.0.64. And we want to find the broadcast address, we just -1. And also we want to end host address, we take the broker's address and then minus 1 also, should be 192.162.0.62. So how we got all the network address, start host address, end host, and broker subnet also CIDR. Okay, for the reason, the first one is we can improve network performance and speed. The second one, reduce network congestion. Number 3, boost network security. Number 4, control network growth. And last but not least, it can be easy administration. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mohammad Azim bin Abdul Karim with the matrix number of 73244. On this video, I am going to present on simulation mode for task B. As you can see, there are two kinds of environment in packet tracer, where one is real-time and another one is simulation mode. When I click on simulation mode, you can see the simulation panel and you can see the details of event list as shown in here on my cursor. Then when I click here for capturing forward, you can see the packet is ready to step forward here. When I click on capture forward, we can see that how does the packet travels from one to another. As has been shown here, our team members has configured for corporate headquarters in Kuala Lumpur, packaging and distribution center in Kota Kinabalu and Nilai, and last but not least, small packaging office in Kuching. In the simulation mode, we can clearly see how does the packet flows and capture to one another switch. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohammad Haziq. My metric number is 72376. Now I will try to simulate for the task B. In the task B, we have 4 different locations. The pink color is in Kuala Lumpur, the blue color is in Nilai, yellow in Kota Kinabalu, and green in Kuching. For the Kuala Lumpur, the IP address is 138.126.0.65 with 4 DLCI, which is 102, 103, and 104. In Kuala Lumpur, we have around 25 hosts with the connection to the cloud, which is 10.0.0.1. For Nilai, we have 14 computer or hosts connected to Nilai router, which is 138.162.0.97 with the connection to the cloud, which is 10.0.0.2. Meanwhile, for Kuching, we have around 7 computers connected to the router 138.162.0.113, connected to the cloud with 10.0.0.4. And finally, we have 36 hosts in Kota Kinabalu with the router 138.162.0.1 with 36 hosts. Now I will try to ping from Kuala Lumpur with IP. Here we have 138.162.0.66 for PC0. Now I will ping from Nilai. And here the output is they can connect to it. We'll try to connect it from Kuching. This shows the connection from Kuching to Kuala Lumpur is established. Now from Kota Kinabalu, the connection is established here. For the router, we have set the passwords. To enter the password, we need to type to EN, and the password is task B. And here is connected. For Nila router, the password is same, task B is connected. For Kuching, the password is task B. And Kota Kinabalu, the password is also B.